Crude oil futures prices settled at a fresh 7-month low as strong domestic production pushed inventories to the highest level in decades. Today I am joined by Jonathan Millett, independent trader and founder of website Forex Minute, to discuss the commodity and its future. So Jonathan, what advice would you give to people thinking of investing in crude oil?
Firstly, my advice to people who want to invest is firstly to follow the markets very closely. The reason for this is there's a lot of volatility at the moment. I have a feeling that the price will continue to go downwards, and to open, say, medium-term put positions, meaning sell trades. However, when you're trading, to use both stop and limit orders, just in case the direction goes upwards in the short term. But however, over the longer term, I feel that crude oil will go south to below $85 a barrel.
Jonathan, what are your thoughts that oil's weakness has been exacerbated by renewed worries about the global economy amid questions about Greece's Eurozone membership?
Well, with regards to Greece, I don't feel it's, let's say, over-exaggerated. I still feel that there's big problems coming out of Greece. It's not over Greece, it's not just Greece, it's other issues within the Eurozone. For example, the newly elected president of France, Francois Hollande, and German Chancellor Angela Merkel, they've got sharp disagreements over austerity measures. So I feel both the Greece problem and also the additional austerity measures for other members of the Eurozone is going to negatively affect the price of crude oil.
Jonathan, what are your thoughts on the suggestion that US and Canada could become the new Middle East in terms of oil production?
To be honest, I feel with Canada this is more likely, with the US less likely. With regards to the US, this is due to regulations, and also they backed President Obama and also other officials in the US government. They backed down from recent proposals to let's say tap into underground, let's say, oil supplies. With Canada, to be honest, I don't see this overall. I still feel the Middle East will be the big producer of oil, and whatever happens in the Middle East will affect the prices the most. And
finally, where do you see oil as a commodity heading in the next 6 months?
In the next 6 months, I see oil going lower, possibly to $82 or even below $80 a barrel. However, the one issue that could push oil higher, I feel, is a war with Iran, a military action with Iran. This is always a factor. However, if there's no war with Iran, I feel that the slowing down of the Chinese economy, the constant problems of the European economy, and also the lack of key decision making from the US will push the price of crude even lower in the next 6 months.
Thank you for joining me, Jonathan. That's all we have time for today, but click back for the press review with my colleague Jennifer Cordinley and a look at the week ahead with Rowena Harris-Doughty. That's all for now. Goodbye.